Okay, guys. Guys. Okay, you say. Alright. No, this is cool. This is gonna be for the bloopers too. It's cool. It's cool. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys. So basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you guys how to do a 3-strand braid.
3-strand braid. Yes.
French braid.
Yes.
This. I'm gonna show you how to do this.
Boom.
But not a nigga. Anyways, our client is waiting for us. Can I say your name? Okay, shout out to our friend Nuke, who's gonna be our what do you call it?
Our model. He's gonna be our model today.
I'm gonna show you guys how to braid. It's very easy.
3-strand, you know. Put a little bit of product in before, so the braid out looks nice.
Yes. So it's gonna be, you know how we do. I need to hide this little key. Look at this luscious hair. Beautiful. Are you kidding me? Sir, you wanna tell us what you use?
Water.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Oregon water.
Period. Oregon water. Okay.
Oakland water too. So.
Oh, okay, Cali.
Alright. Little part. You know what? I'm a little short, so we're just.
I just dropped. That's crazy. You could have done this before I got in the seat.
I thought it would be more funny. Basically, wait, touch your head a little bit. So we're gonna just do a cool little middle part. Just gonna add a little bit of water. Not a lot because I don't want it to be flat.
Don't wet it too much.
Yeah.
And it'll be volumized.
Yeah, definitely don't wet it too much because.
And don't OD on products either.
I'm gonna add in some. This is my Holy Grail product. I use this for my wash and goes.
This is the one that smells like marshmallows.
Yes, ma'am. You wanna smell it?
Let me smell it.
Fire.
That just smell good though.
Period. Okay. So I'm just gonna, guys, you don't need a lot because I think this is like a good amount. And I'm just gonna run through this. I'm gonna add in the front and add it through the middle and then the ends, because the ends is where your hair is literally the driest part. So that's where you need to add in all the products. Detangle it a little bit. Can I do a wash and go on you too?
Yeah, that's good.
Look at that hair.
I feel like this is the hair that Jesus had.
Oh, Black Jesus!
You know?
Look at this! Cuddy got inches! Literally. Okay. So you're gonna get 3 of it. I'm gonna get this one closest to the middle scalp. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put it over the second one. After I get it over the second one, I'm gonna grab the middle strand and I'm gonna put that over the third strand. And then, boom. I'm gonna get the middle strand and I'm gonna put that over the first strand. And that's my first braid. And make sure to grip it tight. So first strands over middle strand over second strand. And then I'm just gonna guys, I'm not a pro, I promise you. I learned when I was home. And I'm just gonna go along his hairline. By his hairline, I'm gonna take in some hairs, grip it onto my index finger. Grip it. And I'm gonna just keep going. Got inches. Look at this. Look at this. Hey guys, and then last but not least, so I'm just, and this is some good old mixture. It's like 3 to 4 different.
What'd you mix?
I used jojoba oil, castor oil, coconut oil. But I just put that all around in the roots. How long do you usually keep your braids in?
Shoot, if they're tight enough, I'll keep them for 2 weeks.
2 weeks, hell yeah. So the oil is gonna be good. That's gonna like keep it nourished and healthy. And then if you even want, you can like put it throughout the roots. It just depends, whatever you want to do. And then just so the braid can look hella shiny, I'm gonna add in some Motions Oil Sheen and conditioning spray. I'm just gonna add to lock that in. 2-strand braid. It smells hella good too.
That smells so good.
Right? I'm about to use this. Okay,
say
what's
that
up?
on YouTube. Like, you gonna say it in the comments, right?
No.
Yeah, I fuck with it. I love braids too. So.
It's fine, you know? We had to get them right.
As you can see.
See, lucky you don't got no baby hairs because I would have slayed it.
She almost did.
Not even at all. not gonna have to.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass. Braiding is, I'm not gonna lie, it really is hard. Like when I first started, it definitely takes a lot of practice. I would recommend that you guys just ask anyone, you know, to be your mannequin, you know? Come on. Definitely ask someone.
Hey,
but
Practice makes perfect.
Not just anyone.
not just anyone, you know?
Not just anyone.
Period. Shout out to Nook for being a great participant. But no, for real, guys, it is easy to learn. I hope my instructions were guide worthy.
No, they're on point for sure.
Period.
Thank you for watching. Always like, comment,
Subscribe and share.
Ciao.
Thank you.
Hey.